Hey everybody, this is Barb with Barb-Ann Designs, here to show you the tutorial on how to make this block pumpkin. You want to take your chalk single paste here and knead it all up with your fingers and get it all squished down before you open it. And then just squish it out on your color tray. You want to get every last little bit that you can out of the package, and you can use your color stick, stir stick, to help get all of it out. Now it might be a little drier than you want. We want it to be a nice creamy consistency. So you can stir it up, put a couple of drops in it, or spray some water. You don't want too much, but just a little can help make it creamier. Then you're going to put your transfer down on your block, and you can even use your squeegee to get it all pressed down. Then you're going to start with your chalk paste in the center and work your way out. You can pick up more paste on your squeegee, but just scrape it thin and work fairly quickly because you do not want the chalk paste to dry in the screen before you pull it up. So just keep working your way and get it scraped nice and thin. You can put the excess, just scrape it back onto that little tray. Then ready for the pullback and design. It's so awesome. I didn't spend enough time on that. But then you're going to clean your transfer between each side. You can just lay it down on a microfiber towel and use a sprayer or a wet microfiber towel to clean it. You can also run it under water. You just want to get it clean of the paste and dry again before you use it. Then you're going to repeat this same thing on each side, and even the top and bottom if you want. I didn't do the tops and the bottom of mine, but you are certainly welcome to. And again, just lay the transfer down, make sure it's pressed down well, and scrape that chalk paste across, starting from the inside going out. And then pull back to reveal your design on each side. Again, remember, clean before each one. Then after your transfer is completely clean and dry, you can put it on that backing to save for another project. Now we're going to use some hot glue and the cinnamon stick to make our stem of our pumpkin. So just put that down in the hot glue, and then you can stick the leaves in that glue as well. And then take your raffia and loop it around and tie it. You can tie it a couple of times, make it as pretty or as messy as you want. You can spread out some of those strings, and you've got an adorable pumpkin.